Apple cider vinegar is helpful in cooking and for your health because it's great for your skin, hair and more. It has properties that fight bacteria and fungus, which can make your skin look younger and help with issues like capillaries. It can also be good for weight loss, reducing swelling, protecting your liver, improving digestion and making your joints stronger. Today we'll show you how to make apple cider vinegar at home with a simple recipe. You'll need 5 liters of mineral water, 1.5 kilograms of apples, Fudji apples work best, 1 kilogram of brown sugar, which feeds the bacteria needed for fermentation. Instructions: first, make sure everything is clean. Wash and cut the apples into small pieces, including the peel and seeds. Blend the apples with the other ingredients. Pour the mixture into a bucket and cover it. Stir it once a day for 10 days, then every other day for 10 more days. Let it sit for another 10 days, then strain it. Store the liquid in glass or plastic bottles, but don't seal them completely because the vinegar needs to ferment.